Fantan Mojah, a voice of truth, a soldier of conscience. Reggae, a son of Jamaica, whose music inspired people around the world. DJBUMMA production, spreading love, respect, and positive music worldwide. This tribute is dedicated to Fantan Mojah. May your soul rest in eternal peace. Your music, your message, and your legacy will live on forever. One love. From the hills of Jamaica, your message would rise, speaking hope and truth beneath Caribbean skies. Your songs gave strength when the road was rough, teaching us that faith can be enough. You sang with purpose, you sang with art, and your music became a work of art. Life is a blessing every breath we take. Every sunrise is another chance to make. Love your family, love your friends, because no one knows where the journey ends. Respect now, love now, live today. Let kindness guide you on your way. Sickness doesn't respect nobody, that's true. So treasure the people who stand with you. No matter your title, no matter your name, before our Creator we're all the same. Fantan Mojah, your voice still remains, flowing through the sunshine and the rain. Your songs still echo from town to town, lifting every soul that may feel down. Jamaica is proud of the life you gave, a conscious warrior, strong and brave. To your family, may peace fill your hearts. Though you're apart, love never departs. To every fan across the sea, your music lives in memory. We'll sing your songs with heads held high, keeping your legacy alive. Light one candle, say one prayer, show your loved ones that you care. Forgive today, don't wait too long. Fill this world with hope and song. Hey, hey. Entertainer, teacher, worker, friend, every journey has an earthly end. Live with honor, walk in grace, share a smile with every face. Leave behind a loving heart, that's where every legend starts. Respect now, love now, every day. Don't let love slip away. Hold your family, hold them near, tell them what they need to hear. Fantan Mojah, your light still shines through your music and your timeless lines. Forever remembered, forever strong, your spirit lives on in every song. Rest in peace, Fantan Mojah. Hey, thank you for the music, thank you for the message, thank you for inspiring generations with truth, faith, and love. Your voice will never be forgotten. DJBUMMA production. One love, Jamaica, forever. One love, Jamaica.